In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Notion. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to ensure that we are logged into our Claude account. Once we are done with that, we're going to go to the bottom of the page. We're going to click on our display icon, and then we're going to click on settings on the dialog box. Now, once we have this, we can either search for connectors in the search bar up here, or we can go to the left side panel on the customize. We click on connectors. Then we're gonna click, we can find Notion here. So we're gonna click on add at the bottom, at the top. Then we click on browse connectors. We're gonna search for Notion here, and we're gonna click on the plus sign next to Notion. Now here it's gonna say connecting to Notion, and it's gonna redirect us to Notion page. And we're gonna have to authenticate ourselves. Let's sign in, continue with Google, and we're just gonna authorize Claude to connect to the Notion account. And once that's done, it's gonna redirect back to Claude. And let's check the connectors again. And you can see that Notion is a connector, and it has a status check mark, which means it's been connected. Now that's how to connect Notion to Claude. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.